19 Best Information Websites for Inspiration in 2026. In an era where information is abundant but attention is scarce, the design and functionality of a website are paramount. An informational website's success is not just measured by the quality of its content, but by its ability to present that content in an engaging, intuitive, and memorable way. As we move further into the digital age, the standards for what makes a website truly exceptional continue to evolve. Gone are the days of static pages and cluttered interfaces. Today's leading informational sites are dynamic, interactive, and user-centric, seamlessly blending form and function to create immersive learning experiences. To understand what makes an informational website truly great, let's explore 19 outstanding examples that excel in design, user experience, and content delivery. 1. Wikipedia. It's impossible to discuss informational websites without mentioning the titan of online encyclopedias. Wikipedia's design is deceptively simple, prioritizing function over flash. Its strength lies in its incredible depth of content and its familiar, easy-to-navigate structure. The clean, text-focused layout ensures that information is accessible to everyone, regardless of their device or internet speed. 2. National Geographic. National Geographic has long been synonymous with stunning photography and in-depth storytelling, and its website is a digital extension of that legacy. The site is a visual feast, using breathtaking images and videos to draw users into its articles. The layout is clean and modern, with plenty of white space that allows the visuals to shine. 3. The New York Times. As one of the world's leading news organizations, the New York Times website is a prime example of how to present a high volume of information in a way that is both comprehensive and digestible. The site's design is classic and elegant, with a strong typographic hierarchy that guides the reader's eye. 4. Khan Academy. Khan Academy is a non-profit educational organization that offers free online courses, lessons, and practice. Its website is designed to be a welcoming and encouraging learning environment. The layout is clean and organized, with a clear progression through subjects and lessons. 5. AWaWords. AWaWords is a website that recognizes and promotes the talent and effort of the best developers, designers, and web agencies in the world. Its own site is, as you would expect, a showcase of cutting-edge web design. The layout is bold and experimental, featuring a unique grid system and striking animations. 6. Google Arts and Culture. Google Arts and Culture is a collaboration with over 2,000 museums and archives from around the world. The website allows users to explore artworks, artifacts, and cultural stories in stunning high resolution. The design is elegant and minimalist, putting the focus squarely on the art. 7. WebMD. When it comes to health information, trust and clarity are paramount. WebMD has built its reputation on providing reliable, easy-to-understand medical information for a general audience. The website's design is clean, professional, and reassuring. The navigation is straightforward, with a prominent search bar and clear categories that help users quickly find the information they need. 8. IMDb, Internet Movie Database. IMDb is the go-to resource for information about movies, TV shows, and celebrities. Its website is a massive database, and its design is focused on making that data easy to search and browse. The layout is dense with information, but it's organized in a logical and predictable way. 9. The Verge. The Verge is a technology news website that is known for its bold design and in-depth reporting. The site uses a vibrant color palette, sharp typography, and a dynamic grid layout that sets it apart from more traditional news sites. 10. Smashing Magazine. Smashing Magazine is a website for web designers and developers, offering articles, ebooks, and workshops. The site's design is clean, content-focused, and highly readable. It uses a single-column layout for articles, which eliminates distractions and puts the focus on the text. 11. Atlas Obscura. Atlas Obscura is a website dedicated to discovering the world's hidden wonders. It's a user-generated collection of unique and unusual places, from secret gardens to quirky museums. The design has a vintage, exploratory feel that perfectly matches its content. 12. Coda. Coda is a new type of document that blends the flexibility of a document, the power of a spreadsheet, and the utility of applications into a single new canvas. Their own website is a brilliant example of interactive storytelling and product demonstration. As you scroll, the site comes to life with animations and interactive elements that explain the product's features in a clear and engaging way. 13. Figma. Figma is a collaborative design tool, and its website reflects the creativity and innovation of its user base. The site features a bold, colorful design with playful animations and illustrations. The layout is clean and spacious, making it easy to navigate. 14. Stripe. Stripe is a technology company that builds economic infrastructure for the internet. Its website is a masterclass in clean, minimalist design and clear communication. The site uses a lot of white space, simple typography, and a muted color palette to create a sense of calm and professionalism. 15. Dropbox. Dropbox is a file hosting service that offers cloud storage, file synchronization, personal cloud, and client software. Its website has evolved over the years to become a showcase of clean design and user-friendly messaging. The current design uses a soft color palette and charming illustrations to create a warm and inviting feel. 16. MailChimp. MailChimp is an email marketing platform that is known for its friendly and playful brand identity. The website reflects this with its cheerful color palette, quirky illustrations, and a conversational tone of voice. 17. GitHub. GitHub is a platform for software developers to host and review code, manage projects, and build software together. Its website is designed to be a functional and efficient tool for its users. The design is clean and utilitarian, with a focus on clarity and performance. 18. The Pudding. The Pudding is a digital publication that explains ideas debated in culture with visual essays. Their work is a stunning example of data journalism and interactive storytelling. Each article is a unique, custom-built experience that uses data visualization and interactive elements to explore a topic in depth. 19. Patagonia. Patagonia is an outdoor clothing company that is known for its commitment to environmental activism. Its website is more than just an e-commerce store, it's a platform for storytelling and advocacy. The site features beautiful photography of the outdoors, along with articles and films about environmental issues. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel STORYRIXA for more informative videos. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel STORYRIXA for more informative videos.